Hey YouTube, Mark here, and today I have a quick unboxing of a phone stand that I picked up on Amazon. It is made by Lamicall. I believe they have 4 different colors you can choose from. I chose black, but I believe they have red, gray, and a silver. So let's get in the box real quick and see what this phone stand brings to the table. There's a lot of phone stands out there, and I liked this phone stand because it has the adjustable back for it, so you can change the angle that you want your phone to sit at. Taking a look around, you do have these nice rubber feet on it so you don't scratch your nice desk or table. Also, you have them on the back plate itself and the little feet right here that holds the bottom of your phone. You can adjust it to different angles. I will grab my Note 9 and we will take a look at what it looks like. And it holds it pretty well. If you want to adjust it lower, have it almost standing straight up, you can. Also, the back has a cutout for if you want to. Actually, I use this for decks, so I can just hook my cable up through the bottom here and connect it to my Note 9. But also, if you want to charge your phone, you can simply run the cable through the bottom there, connect it to the charger, and right now I'm going to hook it to my power bank. But as you can see, you can do that and it will charge your phone nice. Also, in the package you do get this little package here with little structure, I guess Lamicall social media info if you want to get in touch with them. But also, which is really nice, is they include extra little rubber feet in case you drop some or some fall off. So yeah, that is it. This is the Lamicall phone stand. I will leave a link in the description so you can order it from Amazon if you like. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this content, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.